Yan, kakabsat mga bulsoy. Pero pa pala rito, kala ko tapos na. Ito. So yung mga ano nila. Yan. Yung panahon ng revolusyon ng Katipunan. Yan. Pagpulit ng sedula. Yan, yung pagpulit nila ng sedula. Yan. Yung maghihimagsit pa sila laban sa Espanya. Yan. Yan yung lumaban na sila. El Porvorin. The bells on the evening of August 29, 1896 signified the commencement of our heroic forefathers' fight against the abusive colonial rulers upon Supremo May Pag-asa Declaration of the Command Advance Attack. The sparsely Katipuneros bravely rushed toward and successfully gained control of various town halls as well as the residences of Spanish friars in Mandaluyong. The Supremo then led some 700 Katipuneros who emanated from Pandacan, Guadalupe, and Santa Mesa in a march towards the Spanish arsenal El Porvorin Gunpowder Storage House located in San Juan del Monte. It was the Katipuners' objective to seize weapons and ammunitions at El Porvorin in preparation for their major offensive in Manila. Yan pala yun. Sa El Porvorin pala to. Yung nilusob ng mga Katipuneros ang El Porvorin. Ito na yun. Attack at El Deposito naman to. Yun, pinuntahan natin kanina, El Deposito yun, di ba? Yung ano ng mga tubig. El Deposito yun. Yan. The Battle of San Juan del Monte. Yan. Yung Spanish troops led by General Bernardo Ecbaluce fortified the defense of El Deposito. By mid-morning of August 30, 1896, the heavily armed Spanish cavalry engaged Supremo May Pag-asa and the Katipuneros in a historic battle that lasted for more than 2 hours. However, the colonial troops' superior weaponry and the ultimate untimely arrival of reinforcements from Manila proved to be far too overpowering for the Katipuneros. This encounter started the Spanish-Filipino War that ignited the Philippine Revolution. Ito yung nagsimula yung Philippine Revolution. Dito nagsimula. Yan. The first martyrs of the Katipunan. Mga unang martir ng Katipunan. Yan pala. The day after the Battle of San Juan del Monte, the bodies of dead Katipuneros lay strewn on the battlefield. Hundreds of Katipuneros perished, including 18 from San Juan, Juan de la Cruz, Jose Sabe Mateo Mandaluyong, Prudencio Martinez, Venencio Anastasio, Reyes Clemente. Yan yung mga unang martir ng Katipunan sila. Yan. Declaration of First Martial Rules in the Philippines. In the afternoon of August 30, 1896, Governor General Ramon Blanco declared martial law in 8 provinces of Luzon, Lacuna, Tayabas, Quezon, Bulacan, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Cavite, Batangas, and Laguna. It was in these provinces that the revolution gained widespread following. These 8 provinces would be honored for their early commitment to the liberation effort as the 8th rays of the sun on the flag of the Philippine Republic. Soon after, Sancho Valenzuela was arrested, tried and ordered, executed by the Consejo de Guerra together with Eugenio Silvestre, Ramon Peralta, and Modesto Sarmiento on 4th September 1896. The uprising of the Filipino people. The Battle of San Juan del Monte inspired Filipino revolutionaries to carry out military offensive nationwide. Contingents of the Katipunan from the province of Cavite, the Magdiwang from the Venetan, and Magtiis from San Francisco de Malabon. Now General Trias attacked and captured the Veleta garrison and placed it under the command of Katipunero Apoy Santiago V. Alvarez. Bagdalo troops surrounded and attacked the Paris House, Friar Estate House, and the Civil Guard garrison at May Balighinibus. Before the end of September that year, the sons of the people of Cavite have captured all the civil guards garrisons in the provinces. Ito si Andres Bonifacio. Yan yata yung blood compact. Ito yata yung family tree ni Andres Bonifacio. Si Apolinario Mabini pala. Ito yung ano niya. Yung life, yung family tree ni Apolinario Mabini. Yan pala yung baston niya. Siya brain paralytic. Bulacan. Diyan sila lumaban, yung mga Katipuneros na. Yun yung baril. Yun yung mga weapons sila. Haba ng baril. Sa Ilaya Street, dito finound ni Jose Rizal ang La Liga Filipina. Sa Ilaya Street, Tondo, Manila. Didato Arellano. Pangligtas, propagandist and first supremo of the Katipunan, a brother-in-law of Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Siya palang unang supremo ng Katipunan. Didato Arellano. Yan. Ito, dalawang Katipuneros in their full battle gear. General Mariano Alvarez. Ito si General Mariano Alvarez. Mascaraga Street, the house owned by Didato Arellano, where the Katipunan was founded. Ito pala. Dito finound yung Katipunan sa bahay ni Didato Arellano. Sa may Mascaraga Street. Sa may Recto na ngayon yan. Recto na ngayon ang pangalan niya. Recto Avenue na. Life of Andres Bonifacio. Ito yung bata siya. Bata si Andres Bonifacio. Andres was the eldest among 6 siblings. He has 3 brothers, Ciriaco and Procopio. Both died Katipuneros together with him. Born sometime in 1873. Then Troido went on exile after Andres' execution. 2 sisters, Esperindiona, also Katipunera, married to Teodoro Plata, born December 14, 1875. 1875, Maxi Bablin, to die at young age. He obtained his basic education at mathematics at Latin through certain Guillermo Osmeña of Cebu, and continued self-learning through reading of books. Ito. Mga kabataan ni ano to, Gat Andres. Andres found his first love in Monica of Paloma, a childhood friend and neighbor in Tondo, Manila. Monica died early due to leprosy and they did not have a child. Yan pala yung unang love niya, si Monica. Pero di sila nagkaanak. Namatay na maaga si Monica dahil sa leprosy. Diligent man. Aside from their family business, Andres also worked as a messenger in Flaming and Company where he was promoted to become a broker agent of rattan and other goods. He eventually transferred to Fresel and Company, a German-owned company where he worked as bodeguero, warehouseman, until 1896.
Ano sa bigyan ko sa akin sir?
Out na tayo kakabsat mga bunsoy. Andito na tayo sa labas ng Museo ng Katipunan. Out na tayo baya-baya. Museum ng Katipunan. Babalik tayo ulit dito. Magla-live tayo ulit dito. Oh. Second account ko lang kasi ito eh. Doon sa first account ko, magla-live tayo dito. Yan. Bye-bye kakabsat mga bunsoy. Salamat. Ingat at God bless.